Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is only a small information for version 2.6. So here, look at this menu bar here, and now when I add groups or here, you see here now here is a new icon. So I add a group. And here you see now this triangle here, and it collapses all the groups or all your nodes. So this is the new icon here, collapse all. That's it. Okay, have fun with sculpting and ciao.